Now you can track anything.
Sage Lewis, the web marketing video guy at webmarketingwatch.com. Sage Lewis at webmarketingwatch.com.
So check out what's going on over here at the Google Reader blog. Do you know what the Google Reader is? Maybe I should take a step back. RSS feeds, okay? There are these things called RSS feeds. About 11% of you use them, so you're not using them. But here's the thing. They're awesome because they let you know when there's an update to a page, like a blog or something along those lines. I use RSS feeds a lot. But the trick is that in order for you to follow a site in a blog reader or an RSS reader like this one over here, this is the Google Reader, the trick is that the site has to have an RSS feed. And so this is exactly, for example, I'm following the Monsanto blog here. And when farmers are your business, what does your business meeting look like? And then you can go in here and you can instantly see what that article is about. And you can read it right here. And you don't have to, go to the blog every day to see if there's new content. You don't even have to really go to the blog because you can get it right here in your RSS reader. But here's the problem. It only worked if a page or a site has an RSS feed. You couldn't track something if it didn't have an RSS feed until now. So check this out. Over here I was mentioning the Google Reader blog, they say just that. Unfortunately, not all pages on the web have feeds. Today, we're rolling out a change to Google Reader that lets you create a custom feed to track changes on pages that don't have their own feed. So this is a nice big thing, meaning that if you want to track a change on a particular page, it doesn't have to have some sort of fancy RSS feed tied to it. Google Reader will just go out in spite of that page every so often and let you know when a change happens. So you can see here some of the examples that they give. It says, for example, if you want to follow Google's latest products, just type in this URL right here into the Reader's ad subscription field. You create a feed, and poof, it'll go out and tell you what's going on with that. They give you some other examples, specials at Macy's, the NYU Computer Sciences homepage, Zillow.com homepage, and that type of thing. But the best thing is, the one that comes to mind is following competitors. Because wouldn't it be handy to just get a notification every time a competitor does something on their site? They change a product page, they change their homepage, and pow, you get instant notification. You're totally doing competitive market research all the time just by monitoring this stuff. And so check it out. Here's how you do it. iCrossing, they're an awesome search engine marketing firm. I would like to know whenever they update their industry solutions page. It's our work page. And so, they talk about their work and that sort of thing. So all I do here is I highlight that URL. I go over to my Google Reader. I click in add a subscription. I put that URL right in here. And then you get this. It says this page does not provide a feed. We can create a feed for you, notifying you when the content on the page updates. You create the feed, pow, there it is. And that's it right there. And then what I typically do is I'll put in feed settings, I'll add it to a category, and I don't even have a category for competitors. Maybe I'll just let's make one. Show you how to do that. I'll just do competitors. All right. And now you will see that my competitors field right down here has this iCrossing update, and I can click on that, and when there's a change to the page, I'll get to know. Pretty handy, right? Check it out. Do this Google Readers thing, man. It's really, really handy. All right, well, that's a good time to wrap up because my wife's calling. Okay, everybody, this is Sage Lewis, the web marketing video guy, and happy marketing!